credit card from the billing section on Shopify. A lot of people get confused because Shopify doesn't show a simple remove payment method button. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps and explain why it works this way. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where all your store level configurations are located, including billing, plan details, and payments. Now, normally you might expect to go inside the billing tab and find an option to delete or remove your credit card. But Shopify doesn't work that way. They require every active store to have an active payment method attached to the account. That means as long as your store is running, your card cannot be removed. The only moment Shopify allows you to remove it is when your store is no longer on an active plan or trial. That's why the next step is to go into your plan settings. Once you click on it, you'll see details about your current trial or paid plan. If you're still on a trial, the button will say cancel trial. If your store is already active, the button may say deactivate store or pause and deactivate. Regardless of which one appears, the idea is the same. You must deactivate your plan for Shopify to release your saved card. After clicking it, Shopify will show a new window. Take a moment to read the information on the page. They usually explain what will happen to your store, how long your data will remain available, and what steps you can take later if you decide to reactivate the store. When you're done, check the box confirming that you've reviewed everything. Then continue through the deactivation steps. Once your store is deactivated or the free trial ends, Shopify removes your card from the billing section automatically. You don't have to manually delete it. It disappears on its own because there's no active subscription tied to it anymore. And that's really all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that Shopify won't let you remove a payment method until the store is no longer active. Once the plan is canceled, the credit card is removed automatically. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!